What's up guys, today I want to show you a new feature on skinup.com. It's called Magic. You just put in your item. This guy just made $1,000. He's crazy, man. He's just putting in lots of money. But you put your item in here, or you use your balance, and then the multiplier goes up. When you think the multiplier will stop, you press claim, and then you get your items. These guys all claimed in time, and he just won 21 cents, he just won 4 cents, and he just won $1,000. This Gabe guy is really throwing at the money. So it's a really easy way. Whoa, man. Imagine if he still was on it, if he didn't claim it this early. You can use your items or use your balance. You can use your balance from $1, starting from $1, and all the items you have starting from $1. You see how they thought? They saw that it was times 23 here. So they thought logically, and if you think logically, it won't go as high the next round. So they skipped that round. Now Gabe again with the $500 Yeezys, I think that's what it is. And he's going for the 2 times, I think. Yep. No, he's going higher. Don't get too greedy. He just, oh man, he just made $720. Nice, man. He's dropping some big bombs. Now we're just going for the Mario statue. I think he's gonna go long on this because he doesn't care if he loses $20. Yeah. Sometimes it just hits one time, so you just immediately lose. You really gotta think about it. It's actually it's gambling, so guys, watch out when you do it. And to get started on the site, you can use my referral code. It's just give me money. Let me show you. As you can see, code is give me money with spaces between the 2 words. I want to get to $5 to claim so I can play myself, and then I can make another video where I'm actually playing myself, not just watching this Gabe guy getting all the wins. I want to play myself. You can also put some money on the side using your credit card or other ways like G2Pay. I don't know if you guys know that, but yeah, there are a lot of ways to put your money on the site. Or you can just try it with my referral code to get 50 cents for free to try the site out. Just with the code give me money. Let me see how this Gabe guy is gonna drop a bomb. I think he's gonna go next round. But he's been winning like over the half. I've been watching this new feature for the last, I think, 20 minutes. And this Gabe guy is really making some money. Earlier they said that he won. Here, this dude. I just went from $5 to $70 in 5 upgrades. If you think about it, that's pretty nice. You can get some nice stuff for $17 on this site. And maybe, oh man, it's going really high this time. From 12 times to times, I think it's times 36. Imagine if this dude didn't claim already. Let me see. I don't think Gabe is gonna play this round because 2 times high, it's gonna crash 1 time. It's just logic. Imagine if it went up to like 20 again. It's at 2, that's pretty nice. I'm gonna ask for Gabe. Nobody's playing at the moment because it's just too high. Anomaly. Yeah, this is what's going to happen. It's just common sense. I think somebody's gonna play now. He's still thinking about it, I see. You can also chat with other users and use some funny emotes. Like this one, Supreme. So if you win, you get the items that... Okay, let's see. Gabe's playing. Let's wish him good luck. He's playing for $3,600. And he just made it to 4,000 already. So you see, there's a phone and a graphics card. He went from a graphics card to a phone and a graphic card. And those two items are just in his inventory right now. All the items you see go straight to your inventory, not to your balance. And then you can just claim them. He just went from this weird thing to a figurine of something. I don't really recognize it. But yeah, like this guy, he's going from $2 right from his balance. And he's also going from his balance. And Gabe is using his phone. And as you can see, Gabe got a sweater, and this sweater just replaces those two items and go to his inventory, but the sweater is more worth than the two other items he started with. Okay, Gabe is now playing with his balance, and he got a drone. Panda is really pushing it. Okay guys, you get the pound. Just put some money in, you guess when it's gonna stop, and you claim your prize. Be careful, you can also lose your money. Don't gamble with money you don't have. And you can always use my code GiveMeMoney for a free 50 cents. I wish you guys the best of luck and thank you for watching. Please press the like button if it helps. If this video was helpful. And if you got any other question, you can just ask me in the comments down below.